Hi, I'm Sheila. I'm a model turned actress, as well as a mother of one and one on the way. My older one, Layla, she is now 2 years and 1 month old. She started crawling when she was about 7 to 8 months, but she only started walking when she was about 14 to 15 months, which I thought the transition was quite long. And in this period of time, it was very slow for her to progress to walking. And when she started walking, she showed signs of clumsiness. She would trip over herself very often. She would step on her own feet. She couldn't squat very well. So when I learned that East Coast Podiatry specializes in pediatric foot condition, I was very eager to go and seek for advice from them. When I met podiatrist Georgina, she has confirmed that Layla has mild in-toeing, which was caused by core weakness. Her left hip is also tighter than the right because of the way I had carried her. So Layla has been diagnosed with flat feet and confirmed that Layla has mild in-toeing, and she had advised Layla to wear pediatric ankle foot orthotic, which is a specialized medical device that will help Layla by correcting her bone and joint deformities such as flat foot or compensating for lower limb weakness by facilitating more controlled and corrected motion. We were also advised to encourage Layla to do some simple exercises like sitting to standing and to crawling. So this will help her to improve her balance as well as coordination. So Layla's gross motor skill has improved tremendously since our visit. She is now able to walk with confidence, she's starting to run, and she's also starting to jump. The clinic's setup is very friendly, making Layla feel very comfortable. I definitely feel a lot of trust knowing that Gina is also a mother, made me feel very safe. She has shown me videos on how her child is wearing the device and how her daughter has progressed. Knowing that gives me a lot of assurance. So I'm very glad that I found East Coast Podiatry. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you find our podiatry videos informative, please like and share them with someone who might find them useful. If you need to contact us or find one of our clinics, go ahead and take a screenshot now. To subscribe, you can click this button over here. See you in the next video.